Hello, Joy here. So in this video we will see something like that, two button, max number, min number. So if you click max number, it will show you a pop-ups and you can see input number. So let's suppose we will see four numbers, and the first number 44, 88 randomly, and 100 and 77. You can see the biggest number and min as well. If you click 3, you have option to input 3 number. You see 66. So 44 is the lowest number. So we can do it dynamically with JavaScript. First of all, we need to create file for index.html for HTML, and we will use the external JavaScript. So for that we need to uh, create another called script or anything you want, script.js for now. So two file created successfully. Now we need to open our VS Code. So let's cmd and code dot, it will open our VS Code very rapidly. So okay, script and index. First of all, we need to declare some HTML. For that, exclamation index. Okay, now the title will max and min, right? Give a max and min, whatever you want you can use. For now HTML, we just s2 tag or any tag, just create an ID called what the ID, demo or anything else. Demo most usually used, most often used demo. So let's create demo, and we need to link with our script.js. So for that, script script, and you can see src and the same folder. So script.js, only script.js, save it. Yes, follow the link. Yes, connected successfully. Now first what we need to do, we will declare array, an array. So for that, let array called a, simple name, and empty array, because we don't want to declare some value like that. We can do, but that's not our topic. We will use it dynamically from user input, right? So that's the tutorial for. So let a is currently blank, so we need to declare the size of this array and we need to import the value, right? For declaring size, we can use called size, and for that user input, we don't need to create any form. We can uh, get the input from prompt. We have a function called prompt. So prompt will allow user to give an input in our file. So send a message how many value you want to input, or how many numbers, that can be numbers, will be fine, you want to input. So let's see and save it. Index linked successfully. Now just open our, you can see how many numbers you want to input. So everything is going well. Now what we need to do, we need to import the values, right? We have the size and we need to import the values. For that we need to run a loop, and I will use for loop, it's mostly used, and let I for initialize value. Initialize value is 0, because we will use 0 in array index 0. So I less than size, and let's see I plus plus. So now we need to insert the value in the array position. For positions, I will use I, because I will 0 and it will increment 1 after 1. So from 0 to less than size. So now we need to take the input as well. So second time we need to use prompt again. In this prompt we will send a message. Let's enter the value for position, right? For plus I plus position, give some space. Now let's check it's working or not. and refresh the page. You can see number. For now I want 3, so enter the value for position 0, 5, position 1, 4. So it's okay, but we will want to use for 1 plus 1, so it will start from 1. User will see from 1, but it will start from 0. Now what we need to do, first we will see the max then min. For that we will again declare a variable called max number, camel case, whatever you want, max number, and we have a function called math dot max. It will find the max. Now let's check a. Now will it work? I don't think, because it's an array, so we need to insert all the value to check. So if we want to do it, we need to again set a loop and the size of this array and use max. So we don't want that. Instead of that, we will use rest operator or a spread operator or 3-dot operator, whatever you want. So what's the reason of a spread operator? It basically create a clone of this array and it will check with max and for every value. So 3-dot means to cloning the existing array with a new variable. So right now we are going to see max and the max number. Hopefully we can see the max number. Console.log, let's check. Console, it's called max number. Just copy and refresh this page. First of all we will use our console. It's nothing here, just identity. Just refresh, and how many numbers we will use? 3 numbers again, and first is 50, second is 70, third is 30. Let's see, 70. Okay, we are finding our max value from the existing array. So by this way you can use 100 numbers and you can check 100 numbers dynamically. So it's too easy. Now just this is id demo, so we will use inner HTML to import the value in this s2 tag. For that we will use document dot get element by id, or we can use query selector. I will show you both. id name is demo, right? Is it demo? Yes, demo. Now dot. Now we will use inner HTML over inner text. For now I will use inner HTML, and what it will be? It will be the max number, any ambient number. So let's check it. We don't need console anymore, just refresh. For now we will use 2, and first position is 80 and another is 40. You can see 80. So our program is working fine. So what we need to do now, we can use it more dynamically, right? Can use like that, or we can use backtick. That will work fine. Backtick is ES6 string liter, so we can use it like that. The biggest number is, and you can use dollar to declare the variable max number is equals to max number. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to use the min value as well. So for that we will use, what can we do? 2 button, one is max number and that is min number. So let's do it quickly, and can use button will the max number, and another button is for min number, right? Min number, oh my bad, min number. So button on click, when user click this button and it will work like that. So on click, and in on click event we'll create a function called max function or max number, and another one on click is to min number, right? So our function is ready. Now what we need to do, cut this code and zip it in our function called max number, right? And put it, and another is min number. Just copy the function and paste it again, and it's called min number. We can use arrow function, but it will be advanced. For now it's beginner project, so we will use the normal one. Okay, min number. Now what we will do, if you are confused with this backtick, then you can use the double quote as well. Just before that, use a first bracket and just close it, and we can use our general one like that. Number is and plus, our basic syntax, it's max number, like that. We can use it, or we can use our this one. So I'm showing you both, whatever you want you can use. Min number, now the min number we need to change our variable min number and copy it, paste it here, and for that max just replace with min. That's it. Hopefully everything is okay. I don't know, just test it, and it's also okay. And just refresh it. You can see max number, min number. Just give some space, and NBSP again, just 2 space. Okay, just refresh. You can see max number, min number. So first of all we will want max number. So how many numbers you want to input? This time 5, right? First position is 50, second is 70, third is 100. 100 will be our biggest number, and this 99 and 54. You can see the biggest number is 100. Wow, our program is working fine. Now let's see the min number. How many numbers you want to input? 5, and first position is 50, 70, 100, 99, and this is 44. You see 44 is the biggest. Oh, it will be the smallest number or lowest number. So just change the message, smallest or lowest, lowest, smallest, whatever you want you can use. So that's it, that's working fine. And prompt. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any suggestion, please comment below. Thank you.